Hello my dear student, hope so you are doing well. So today I want to teach you student a geometrical isomerism in Cumulin system. This topic is important and so much confusing for the students, but here I want to give you a best idea to resolve all the problems. So please focus on the board. So here in Cumulin system student, first I want to discuss about what is Cumulin system. Cumulin system like this student, if any given molecule like a multiple bonds, if this is an even number then even Cumulin, if this is an odd number then we are saying what? Odd number of Cumulin. So here we focus on two conditions. Molecule must be planar. If I want to check in Cumulin system that molecule shows geometrical isomerism, so what is the condition? First condition is molecule must be planar. Second condition, terminal carbon atom have a different group. Means, say for example here molecule must be planar. What is the meaning? Meaning is, say for student, if this group attach in horizontal plane, so pi bond make in vertical plane, because pi bond like this bond make a pi bond. If this group is in horizontal plane, then where my pi bond? Pi bond form in vertical plane. So next pi bond must be horizontal plane, and next pi bond must be vertical plane, and next pi bond is horizontal plane. Next atoms in horizontal plane. So here you are saying that these terminal atoms have a horizontal plane. When terminal atoms have a horizontal plane, so you have seen here कि if even number or odd number, if odd number of double bond are present, then molecule is planar. Then molecule become a planar, so planarity achieve, and planarity achieve, and terminal group have a different atoms. This terminal carbon atom have different atoms, also this terminal carbon atom are different, so this molecule shows geometrical isomerism. These two conditions we fulfill. And first is, this point is important student, if odd number shows geometrical and even number of double bond shows optical isomerism. Odd number why shows geometrical, you have seen here, because when molecule have odd number of bonds, so this molecule become a planar. Then molecule become a planar, so planar molecule shows geometrical isomerism. Understood? So now tell this compound, because this is odd and terminal is different, so geometrical isomerism. Next student, odd number, terminal, this carbon atom have a two different group, but this carbon atom have a same group. When same group, that's why not shows geometrical isomerism, because condition not fulfilled. Next student, this is alene. This formula name alene. Now you check, first of all this is even, so not so Gi 100%, and this two groups also have a same on this carbon, hydrogen on this carbon, so condition not fulfilled. So here what I want to check here, if this is horizontal plane, then pi bond is vertical plane, then next pi bond is horizontal plane, and next this atom in vertical plane. So in this case, now check, this is horizontal, so horizontal and vertical means these atoms lie on perpendicular to the plane. When molecule in perpendicular to the plane means this molecule is non-planar. when molecule is non-planar means plane of symmetry not present. That's why this molecule shows optical isomerism. So reason is this: when even number of carbon, so molecule become non-planar. If odd number of double bonds, molecule become planar. If even number of double bonds, molecule become non-planar. If odd number of double bonds, molecule become planar. When planar molecule shows geometrical isomerism. Next problem, number 5. First of all, this is even, so not so Gi. This is even, not so Gi. Now come here, this molecule, in between this CC bond, student, you can check here one hydrogen, one methyl, one hydrogen, this complete group. So every carbon atom have a different, so this forms a centrons. So here molecule shows geometrical isomerism. Now here student, this is what? Even number. So even number molecule shows optical isomerism. Yes or no? Now come between this optical, here both group are same, hydrogen and hydrogen, so no Gi here. Here hydrogen and hydrogen, no Gi here. But here student, you can check methyl hydrogen double bond, here one hydrogen and here complete group. So here this carbon atom have a different group, also this carbon atom have a different group. Two different group, molecule shows here geometrical isomerism. Now come here, this is what? Odd number. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 means 5 pi bonds, odd number system. Okay, and these two groups have a different, so molecule shows geometrical isomerism. Now come here, this is what? Even, and even means this molecule shows optical isomerism. Why? Because you can check if this is horizontal in plane, then this is vertical, next pi bond horizontal, next is vertical, next pi bond is horizontal, and next is vertical. So you can check these terminal atoms have a perpendicular to the plane, horizontal and vertical. That's why this molecule shows optical isomerism. Now here you can check here, if this is horizontal, then this vertical, next pi bond horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical, and here horizontal. You can check this horizontal and this horizontal. So this molecule are planar molecule. That's why this molecule shows geometrical isomerism. So based upon it, this concept, student, we have discussed about Cumulin system. So please try to all the problems, and now you can easily do every problem which comes and which will come in IIT JEE and NEET exam. So after that, we want to discuss about a spirotype compound is given in a double bond system. So how we are calculated, how we have seen that molecules show geometrical isomerism or not. So please wait, we want to discuss. So now we will discuss a spiro compound. Spiro compound is student like this member ring, and each member have a different group. So what is condition? U does not equal to V and X does not equal to Y, meaning these two group must be different, these two group must be different. Or we have written like this: if this type of system is given, then you treat it as a double bond. So here you can written like this. Say for example, very easily, example number 1. So here these two rings, so treated as a double bond and double bond. So here two rings means double bond and double bond. So what you are written here? You have written like this: CH3 and here H double bond, C double bond, C, and here CH3 and here H. So this is even number. Okay, and even number not so geometrical isomerism. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. So that's why this molecule not so geometrical isomerism. Both group are different but even number. What is the condition? Both group must be different and have a odd number of multiple bonds. But here even number, that's why not so geometrical isomerism. Now come here student, 1, 2 and 3. This is what? Odd number. This double bond and double bond 3. And here both group are different, so that's why this molecule shows geometrical isomerism. Now here this double bond, and here both group is same, that's why not so geometrical isomerism. Understood? So always you treat it as a ring or double bond. Here if this ring, then make double bond here. Now here, so what you are written here? You can written HCH3 double bond C. Okay, this double bond, and here always given double bond, and here also double bond, and here H. So you treat it as a ring double bond. So C double bond C, always here this double bond like this, and here this ring like double bond, and this group. Now you check, this is what? Odd number, and both is different groups. Yes or no? Both have different groups. So condition is fulfilled. That's why this molecule shows geometrical isomers. Okay. Now come here student. Both group is different. Yes or no? Both group different. If both group different, not so geometrical isomerism. Now come here. Both group different. Here this is methyl and this is ethyl. On this carbon student, you can see here CH2 and here CH2, but here student one CH2 and here what? CH3 and here CH2. So between these two molecules you can check, this group is different and this group is different. So that's why between this molecule shows geometrical isomerism. Now you can check here this is methyl, and here this group is same, and now this group is same. So that's why between this not so geometrical isomerism, but between two both group different, and here this group different and this group different. That's why this molecule shows geometrical isomerism. Now come here, both groups same. Here what? CH3 and CH3, both groups same. C double bond CH. So like this system, this molecule not so geometrical isomerism, this is odd number of carbons, but terminal group both have a same. That's why not geometrical isomerism. But student, this molecule or ring, you can check only this ring. This is what? sp3, and this is what? sp3. So middle ring shows geometrical isomerism. Both group have a different substituent and have a sp3 hybridized. So that's why between this molecule shows geometrical isomerism. That's why complete molecule shows GI. So everywhere and every point please check. Now come student here. This is what? You can check. Between this molecule shows geometrical isomerism. Now between last ring to this one, you can check H, and here what? H. So both group are different. CH3 double bond C, double bond like this ring. Double bond means odd number, and both terminal group are different. So between this carbon and this carbon, this molecule shows geometrical isomerism. And in middle ring sp3 hybridized and hydrogen. So here also due to this ring, this molecule shows geometrical isomerism. So net this molecule shows GI. Now come here. In this case student, you can check here between what? this carbon and this carbon, this is what, CH, and here CH3, and here this group and this group, both are different, yes or no? And here H and CH3, so between these two carbons, this molecule shows geometrical isomerism. In my opinion, everything you can easily understand. Okay. Now terphenyl system, student, this point is important. This type of question also asked in IIT and NEET exam. So that's why here terphenyl means 3 phenyl rings are present. So first condition, student, on this ring different group must be present, on this ring different group must be present, and middle ring not hydrogen is present. If you are attached here bromine, then bromine, bromine, bromine. You can attach here bromine, iodine, chlorine, fluorine, whatever the group. Not here hydrogen. First of all, you can here put a different group like fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, NO2, CO2, SO3, and anything group silent like this. So you can take all 4 are same, no issue. But here, student, please focus, these 2 groups must be different. These 2 groups must be different. Say for example, here CH3 and here ethyl, and here whatever, but not hydrogen, no issue, but come here. Here CH3 and here C2H5. So these 2 groups are different, and the also 2 groups are different. Okay. So this molecule, so GI 100%. What is, so this system is in same side, this, so methyl and methyl, and here what, ethyl and ethyl. So this is cysteine. If we are taking here methyl and also we have taken a methyl group, so now student tell me this molecule shows geometrical isomerism or not. So here please be focused, because these 2 groups now same. If here methyl and here methyl, so condition is failure. That's why on that condition this molecule not show geometrical isomerism. So always please remember, these 2 groups must be different, these 2 groups must be different. If these 2 groups are in same side, so cis form. If these 2 groups are in opposite side, so that is trans form. And here you can take anything except hydrogen. You can take here NO2, Cl, Br, and I like that. And here all problems we have discussed, but just I want to ask you, like this system, this is nitrogen, and here nitrogen. This molecule shows geometrical isomerism or not. So based upon the concept, please try to solve this problem. This answer is, student, this molecule shows geometrical isomerism. How it's depend on you, what you think about this problem. So please analyze all the concept and utilize every problem, and you can easily do based upon this theory. Okay, so thank you so much. Keep it up, student.